Okay, boys, it's finally happening. My Tesla is flat. So I bought this. I bought this long ago, and I've used it to just air some tires. But I'm finally gonna use this. It says it's like a good flat tire repair kit. As you can see, it's freaking flat, and it also gives you this air pressure tires very low. So I'm gonna try to use this and see how this thing works. So it says here I just need to plug it in. I don't know what happened, but it was so flat. I'll show you later. Okay, so I plug it in. As you can see, I put air on only, and I don't know how long before it goes, but it says air only. It says you need to pump air first before you do the air seal. Okay, so we already put the seal on. See, we're just waiting for it to go to 42 psi because that's what the recommendation is. And then I need to drive it around slowly so that the seal really seals out the puncture. So you just need to make sure that if it is like a nail, you need to remove the nail. In my problem, it's not a nail. I saw where the puncture is, and it's not a nail. There's nothing embedded in it, so it should be fine. And we're just gonna drive around and see and recheck after 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 2 miles. So yeah, so basically you just need to go around so that the sealant goes around the tire basically, and then recheck and then re-air, and then I would say do another 2 miles just to be safe and recheck. Or if you really want to be sure, you just go drive to the nearest car shop or a tire shop and fix it over there. But as far as the review goes, they said it's fine, and they don't even need to go to the car shop or a tire shop to change their tires or fix it. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know in a second. Okay, so we drove around, and I know where the hissing sound is earlier, so I marked it. And what I did was I put the hissing part, or where the hole is, in the bottom of the wheel, with the puncture is in the bottom, where the road is. And I air it again around 50 psi, because when you twist the air thingy, it leaks a little bit of air. So before we drove, it was 46, and then now it was still 46. We drove around a little bit more, and I came around here, and there's no more hissing sound. So what I mean is, earlier I heard the hissing sound around this one, so around here. So I put it this side on the bottom, so that the sealant goes through that. Even because it has air in it, it's still better with the gravity to put it on the bottom, because it's a sealant, it's liquid, so it seals around there. And after that, it sits around there for a while, and then we just drove around a little bit more. But as far as I know, it's already good to go. And just to be safe, you set up an appointment with your tire company or tire guy and check it out tomorrow and see how it goes. But as far as I know, it looks good, really good for her. for emergency purposes.